I know you have heard of simple glam, full glam, but today we are going to do the easy glam. What did I say? The easy glam. Yes. I'm not really a makeup girly, but sometimes I do like to apply a little bit of makeup on my face. So I'm going to show you all how I do it because some of my girlies don't know how to do their makeups. I'm just going to show them how I do mine, just a little bit of makeup, and then just keep going. So I got my makeup bag here, and then I got some tools here that I use for my face. I came from makeup, but I don't really know how to do my makeup. So this is the easy grab for my girlies who don't know how to do their makeup. So let's get started. So this is the foundation I'm going to be using. I'm applying it to my face. So guys, when I say I came from makeup, all I simply mean is that my elder sister is a makeup artist. Yeah, that's what she do. That's what she do. And I'm actually her first apprentice, but because I don't really love makeup, so I really don't give that a chance of trying. Yeah, I'm going to go with this beauty blender. I'm going to blend everything in my face to look just normal. I just apply a little bit of foundation on my face. Oh, so I'm blending it. I'm gonna blend it. You just need to use a foundation which is going to match your skin. So I think I have to take this pimples patch off. Oh, yeah, off. So now I'm going to go with my Pro Concealer for highlighting purpose. Okay. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Am I even doing this right? Like, what the fuck? So after my Pro Concealer, I'm going to blend the highlighting. Yeah. Guys, this makeup is makeover. Ah. This makeup is makeuping. I don't believe what you say. I'm doing just perfect fine. Just doing perfect. Mm-mm-mm. Oh my god. My face is already giving. It's giving. So guys, after the highlighting, you'll see how my skin is totally blend. So now we are going to go with this. I'm going to use this as blush. Yeah. Should I use this? Okay, no, I'm going to use this. So going to paint it on the butt so that I can use it as blush on my cheeks. Yeah. Yes. You're gonna use your beauty blender. Tap on it. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah, like this. On your cheek. A little bit of the blush on my chin. Forehead. And on the nose. Make sure you blend your blush so much to match your skin. So guys, after putting on my blush, how do you all see my face? The new makeup artist in town. Easy glam. Period. So now I'm going to put on my powder on my face. Okay? I'm going to use this. Oh my god. My dress. It's ruining my dress. Okay. I'm going to put the powder under your eyes. Okay. A little bit. So guys, I'm going to use this brush to blend everything on my skin to look perfect and fine. Blend everything on your skin. So I'll reduce my light so that you all can see my face, how it will look like. This is easy glam. So guys, I'm done blending my face. Next up, eyeliner. Yes, eyeliner. I'm so obsessed with this makeup though because I really don't have time for my face to do all to beat up my face and do some makeup. So whenever I do this kind of makeup, I feel like, oh girl, I'm on top. This is the easy glam. And people are gonna be asking, oh my god, I love your makeup. What are you doing? I was like, oh, this is the easy glam. Yeah. The makeup and no makeup face. And I love it so much. So we are going to use the eyeliner right now. So guys, I'm done with the eyeliner. This is how my face looks like. What's next is the lip combo. Oh my god, I love this pencil and lip gloss combo. No more extra. So we are going with the brown pencil, your upper lips like this. Lip gloss next. So guys, I'm done with the easy glam, and as you all can see my face, I look so pretty good, right? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So if you don't like makeup just like me, this is your makeup. You all notice my face look just exactly the same because I didn't use anything vibrant on my face, just cool, everything just giving some casual vibes. This is your girl ikilledzee, and don't forget to subscribe and follow, comment, share for more fun videos like this. And I'll be giving you pep talks, vlogs, anything and everything about life. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button below, and follow for more videos like this. And I look pretty. I'm obsessed with myself. Bye. See you in my next video.